Hey folks, I will try another pipeline conversion. And this time I'm taking a very different framework. It's Estuary. It's something basically for streaming. And I'm taking one of these connectors and I will try to see if I can convert it. And I will take the Pokemon one because it's quite thorough, the way that they implemented it. And I don't need a credential to test it. So that's nice. Now let's see. I have my cursor IDE and I have my README here with the first prompt, and I will add my context. And my context is first the Estuary Pokemon. I'm not gonna add the docs for now, just to see how it works. I will add, yeah, I would say that's it. Let's try it. So please build the rest, blah blah blah, from please include all endpoints you can find and try to capture the incremental logic you can find. Use the build REST API cursor rule, which is added by default. Do it in a file called pokemon.py. Let's do it. In the meantime, let's go into our virtual environment so I can test it. It's cursor. Let's see what our LLM did. I don't think this is the right paginator. You could just run it and get an error, but I already know this. So what I'm gonna do is explicitly add my pagination guide and the other docs, why not? Okay. Okay, I think this is the right one. It doesn't need an offset and limit, I think. It just needs next. Okay, I like this. As for resources, we have the Pokemon, the species, the types, abilities, moves. Okay. Let's see. Was that all the resources and points? So let's just double check. There might be more and might have stopped because it was lazy. Okay, there was some more. Yeah, there we go. There was a lot more. Okay, I'm gonna ask it again. All endpoints are configured. Okay. Okay. I'll have to give it probably DLT docs. Wow, it is more. Okay, frankly, I could keep going, but I see there's quite a bit more. That's enough. I would say, approach it incrementally. Don't try to do everything at once, but let's see if it works. Of course, the paginator. So yeah, it's the wrong variable name in this configuration. Okay, I'm not sure about this one. I don't really get it. Let's see. I mean, something is wrong with the parsing of, I think, incremental on Pokemon. Now, because it's a big file, it takes a while. But yeah. It looks like right now it's running. It's definitely creating a database, so at least I think some data is temporarily being loaded, even if not everything loads. This will probably take a couple of minutes. Yeah, okay, so it failed on the last troubleshooting print. That's fine. I'm pretty sure it loaded lots of data. The load must have been fast, but the extract took quite a while.